Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we simplify crypto investing and explore effective strategies for the long term. Today we're diving into TONcoin, a cryptocurrency that's gaining attention for its integration with Telegram and its growing ecosystem. In this video, I will guide you through the why in coin is worth considering as a long-term investment. The second, a strategy based on fair value gaps to optimize your spot trading decisions. And the third one, a roadmap for investing in TONcoin over the next 6 to 12 months. Okay, let's get started. TONcoin is the native cryptocurrency of the open network TON, a blockchain designed for speed, scalability, and real-world applications. What makes TONcoin unique? We have a few reasons, of course. The first is Telegram integration with over 800 million active users. Telegram offers TONcoin a built-in pathway to mass adoption. The second, versatile ecosystem. TON supports decentralized finance, gaming, and more, making it a multi-purpose blockchain. Third, fast and low-cost transactions. TON is designed for high efficiency, making it ideal for global payments and apps. These features make TONcoin a compelling choice for long-term investors looking for projects with real-world utility. Okay, guys, let's explore a trading concept called for fair value gaps and how it can help you make smarter decisions when you're buying TONcoin. What is a fair value gap? A fair value gap is a price imbalance created when the market moves too quickly, leaving a gap between buying and selling activity. These gaps often act as magnets, pulling the price back to fill the imbalance. I will show you on the chart. For example, this is imbalance. Then this one, imbalance as well. Well, why use fair value gap in spot trading? Fair value gaps can help you identify better entry points, wait for the price to revisit these gaps to avoid buying at inflated levels. And the second, reduce risk. By entering during a retracement to the fair value gap, you minimize overpaying and increase your chances of long-term gains. Now I'll explain you how you can use fair value gap in TONcoin trading. Here's a step-by-step approach to incorporating fair value gap into your TONcoin trading strategy. Step 1. Look for price imbalances. And fair value gap is often visible as a gap in the market's price movement. These gaps typically from during periods of high volatility or major news events. Step 2. Wait for retracement. Instead of buying immediately, wait for the price to retrace and fill the gap. This ensures you're entering at a fairer market value rather than chasing a rally. And step 3, set realistic targets. Once you have entered at an fair gap, focus on holding for the medium or long term, depending on your investment timeline. The long-term investment strategy, from 6 months to 1 year. For long-term investors, combining the fair value gap strategy with TONcoin's fundamentals can yield strong results. It means the first will accumulation, the second just holding from 3 to 9 months, and the third re-evaluation. It means at the end of the year, evaluate the progress of the TON ecosystem and TONcoin's adoption. And I will add, decide whether to continue holding, take partial profits, or reinvest based on market conditions. And we have to remind about risk management. Every investment involves risks, and cryptocurrencies like TONcoin are not exceptions. Here's how to manage them effectively. The first, diversify your portfolio. The second, invest responsibly. Third, secure your holdings. And fourth, stay informed. I know, maybe now it's so complicated to understand it. I know. But now I would like to see my levels where I would buy and what is my targets. This is TONcoin. This is daily chart, daily, weekly. I can open weekly and monthly. I'll show you on daily chart. Here is the first level where I will buy some part of TONcoin. It will be here. So I need some different color, like it will be just red. It's the first row, and the second, will be here, and my targets will be the first one. It will be here, and the second one, it will be here. Well, now I'm trying to explain you why I will buy here and here. I told you before about fair value gap. This one, if you will see the weekly chart, and we'll see the fair value gap here. I told you the price quickly goes up or goes down. In this case, we went up. We have a space between, like the first candle, the second, and the third. We have imbalance between the first and the third candles. And yeah, this will be my second target. And why? You will ask me why I will buy here, because I see here the liquidity zone. This low, and I forgot what is it. This low and these lows. This is kind of magnet for price. We will see price here, and then maybe here. And I think these levels are the best price to buy TONcoin. Well, TONcoin is a promising cryptocurrency with a strong fundamentals and a growing ecosystem. By using the fair value gap strategy, you can optimize your entry points and set yourself up for long-term success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future content. Let us know in the comments, are you investing in TONcoin and what's your strategy? Thanks guys for watching, and as always, stay informed, invest smart, and happy trading. Bye guys.